Under the definition of economics, we have saw already economics was defined by Indian economists. Now we will see the definition given by the Western economists, which are very important, are divided into four parts. The earlier definition, wealth definition. The earlier definition of wealth supported by Adam Smith, J.S. Mill and J.B. Sig. Adam Smith wrote a book in 1776 which is an inquiry into the nature and causes of wealth of nations, in which said that economy is the science of wealth. Under economy, the production and consumption of wealth by human is studied. In their definition, money is the standard point and man is negligible compared to money. He is talk about the individual prosperity and national development be possible. He has advised an economic man. Economic man perform economic activities motivated by self-interested. The main objective of economic activities is wealth and prosperity, and his criticized him and said that it is not right to imagine an economic man because man is a social who also work inspired by the feeling of kindness, compassion and patriotism. Human welfare is expected from them. Money is considered as a both means and end. In fact, money is a means and not an end. They have used in term money in a narrow sense, which includes only material goods and does not include service like doctor, teachers, etc. And also Karl Marx criticized the definition of wealth economics, saying that it served the interest of the capitalist class and ignored the interest of workers. So that the definitions given by the wealth economist.